Yes, my name is Ebenezer Okoye. Call me Benny, solar water heater. We are taking this delivery to Kaduna State. This is 2 units of 150 liters solar water heater. The client bought this, and this iron is for the installation of the solar water heater. Like I told you, we are meticulous in our installations. We don't just hang solar water heater anyhow. We are very careful and meticulous to see that it is properly installed. So you see 2 units of 150 liters solar water heater. These are the tubes. It's being conveyed to Kaduna. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny Solar Water Heater. We are Rodotrep Integrated Services Limited. We are good at what we do. Call us today on the following numbers displayed on your screen. Once again, my name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny Solar Water Heater. Thank you.
Tony, in a video in a snap.
What? Wait. Wajen farin nan ko? Snap ne ba? Snap ne ke? Okay.